Yes, good morning, 7th class. Today again we are here to discuss on the same topic, that equality. Yes, dear students, yesterday we have discussed about the steps that were taken by the government, means the schemes introduced by the government, and one of the main scheme that was introduced by the government was the midday meal scheme. Yes, my dear student, this program means all the government schools they would provide cooked lunch to the students. And Tamil Nadu was the first state in India to introduce this scheme in 2001, and it was appreciated on such an extent that the Supreme Court asked all the state governments to begin this program had many in all the schools within the 6 months. The program has had many positive effects. These includes the fact that the poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending school. Teachers reported that earlier children would often go home for lunch and they not return to school. But now with the midday meal being provided in school, their attendance has improved. Yes, bache. In earlier years, means before this scheme that was introduced, the students they ran to the houses because their mother was not able to cook the food in the morning, so they ran back to the houses in the lunch and they wouldn't return to the school. So it will also affect their study and attendance also. So the mothers they work to feed their children at home during the day was no longer need to do so, and their mothers they were also free to do any kind of work because the children were not coming back to school and they were not need this thing that they have to send the lunch to the school. So this program has also helped to reduce caste prejudice, caste discrimination. That means all the all the students of different castes they were sitting together and taking the lunch. And even some Dalit women they also found a job in the schools for the cooking of food. They were serving the children and the children they were sitting together and taking the lunch. So all this happened because of the introducing of this midday meal scheme. And next thing, definitely it also helped to reduce the hunger of poor students who often came to school and cannot concentrate because their stomachs are empty, because their parents were poor, or sometimes due to work they were not able to give a proper lunch to their students. So that's why now the student they can easily fill their empty stomachs while sitting in the school, and they can pay more concentration on their work, and they easily can cover up their study work. While government programs play an important role in increasing equality of opportunity, there is much that still needs to be done. So it was not only the midday meal who was just removing the caste-based discrimination. Even many of the other work they have to do by the side of the government. The midday meal scheme has improved the attendance also, but still there is inequality in the country. The students still feel like Om Prakash Valmiki has suffered while studying in their school. So such kind of conditions still persist in the many of the school. Ab bhi beta, now also the people they are discriminated on the basis of caste. The children they are forced to feel that they are unequal, and they are stuck in an unequal situation in which their dignity is not concerned, and they are not giving any kind of respect, because people refuse to think them as equal even though the law requires it. Even the constitution has guarantees all the rights and duties equally. Still it is not acceptable by the society. And what was the reason main behind this? That the reason is the attitude to change very slowly. Even though persons are aware that discrimination is against the law, still they continue to treat the people equally. Beta ji, we know that constitution has banned the untouchability, still the people they are following it, because everywhere is, every person is not aware that they can move to the court or move to the police, so they can easily put or file a complaint against that untouchability or the treatment of the people against untouchability. But still the lower caste people, they begin to believe that that they are inferior on the basis of caste, maybe religion, disability or economic status. And women also, still they are believing, even the women, they are now working inside and outside the houses also, still they feel a discrimination on the basis of gender. Means there is a gender inequality in our society, and still we are following this kind of discrimination in the country. Now, issue of equality in other democracy. Yes, my dear student, it doesn't mean that only in India such kind of discrimination they are going on. Many other countries are there in which the people, they feel that they are unequal, still they feel. So in America also there was a discrimination on the basis of color, the white and the black people. So I am talking about the time before the 1950. In 1950, at that time the black people, they were not allowed to sit in the buses, while the white people, they were only allowed to sit. If any black person is sitting in a bus, and white people entered in the bus, so the black people have to leave the space for the white people. So such kind of discrimination they were having. They were having separate schools for white and black people, and the white people, they were not having they were having good facilities provided to them, and the black people, they were not provided the good facilities. Even the less educated teachers were there to teach that kind of student. So one of the lady of the black people, it was Rosa Parks. Once a white person entered in the bus, and the Rosa Parks was sitting in that bus, and she denied to leave the space for the white people. From here, the civil rights movement, it was started. So in 1964, the Civil Rights Act was introduced, in which the discrimination on the basis of color was banned. So now the equal opportunities were provided to the both African and American people. Most of the African American children can only afford to attend government school with the fewer facilities at that time. So now after introducing this act, they were able to join the other schools also, in which where they are getting the equal opportunities to get qualified. Now, like this, the discrimination on the basis of color was removed. So this is all for the day. Thank you.